Hello everybody, this is how to get your SketchUp work and put it onto Padlet and share it. So first off, you need SketchUp. If you're on a laptop or a desktop, there's a couple ways to do it. So laptop from your school device, you want to go to the Microsoft Store, usually down here at the bottom. If not, you can search for Microsoft Store. You might have to click up top and click on Volusia County Schools and click over one time to go to SketchUp for Schools. Once it's here, leave it a second to load, and then this button should pop up where it says install. Once it's done installing, you click launch. So that should be SketchUp for Schools. And it'll look like this when it's loading. And when it's done loading, you can start making your work in 3D. If you're on the desktop, you should be able to find something called SketchUp 2017. It's this little red and white icon. If it's not there, you can search it at the bottom, SketchUp, and it should pop up. This one right here. Open it up. First time you open it, you might have to click on Choose Template. Third one down, 1, 2, 3. Architectural Design, Feet and Inches. Click on that one, and then click Start using SketchUp. And again, the SketchUp for Schools might take a little time to load, but once it's there, you might have to click Start Modeling. So again, we got two different editions. We have SketchUp 2017, which looks like this, and we have SketchUp for Schools, which looks like this. And they both work exactly the same. They have the same 3D work environment. They might just have a different person in there when it starts off. If you're working on the SketchUp 2017 edition, you just need to unlock the toolbar. The toolbar that we need right off the bat, we need two of them. So to unlock a toolbar, you go to View, Toolbars, and you want to unlock Getting Started and Large Tool Set. Those are our top two that we want to use right off the bat. This one for SketchUp for Schools, we don't need to unlock anything right now, because if you click on the little icons here, it will give you all of the same tools that the other edition has right off the bat. So for example, if you're looking for the 3D text tool, it looks like this here, and over here, same icon, just different place. It's the uppercase A right here. So when you're saving it, there's a couple of different ways to do it. Up top, File, Save As, or if you're over in SketchUp 2017, just be patient with it. It does like to load a little bit when you're working in it. So just be patient with it, and then you can click Save and save it to wherever you normally save your work. And then if you're done with your work and you're ready to take a screenshot, so let's say you have some amazing 3D object that you want to take a screenshot of, you can use the snipping tool, SNIPPING. Click the snipping tool. You have this little box. You can move the box around. Click New, Snip, N-E-W, and then click and drag. If you mess up, you can redo it by just clicking that little icon again. Click and drag, and perfect. Now you can save that as a picture to wherever you save your work. And then you can go over to Padlet and upload your work here. That's it for now. Good luck.